Welcome everyone. I am back. Today's July the 8th, 2022. We're going to talk about Litecoin today and see if it's dead. Yes, we're going to see if the market is still alive in Litecoin to determine, are people still buying this cryptocurrency? Are people still trading this cryptocurrency? Because it's not in the news anymore. You don't hear a lot of people talking about Litecoin. It once was a formidable player early on over the last couple of years, trying to compare to Bitcoin. Is Litecoin the silver compared to Bitcoin being the gold? But now you don't hear too much traction, too much action going on in Litecoin. So is it still viable? Let's talk. Welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I come through and I do price predictions off of the price chart to determine what the market is trying to do. Where are they trying to go? Are people really buying this cryptocurrency, or are they really selling it? Because you guys can really just simply look at the price chart to determine what people think. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and join on board. Hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe to the channel. That's how you're able to join, and also tap that bell notification while you're at it, because I want you all to be one of the first ones to know about these price predictions, because the market moves quick, especially in a space that the market never closes. Cryptocurrencies trade 24 hours a day, 365. So you need to be one of the first ones to see these market moves before it happens, because once it happens, it's pretty much over. And then you got to get right back into position again to figure out where's the next move or where's the next play. You guys can see that I did a price prediction into the market in Litecoin. Let me zoom in on this chart. I did a price prediction back here on May the 21st, 2022. And you guys can see what my expectations were. I was playing the strength into the market in Litecoin. Yes, I was. And you guys can see that I wasn't massively bullish. I wasn't looking for the price to trade to $100, nothing like that. But you guys can see I have my ultimate TP price around $81. The market didn't make it. The market in Litecoin, after I concluded my video, was only able to top out at 74. That was it. And you had like 2 days. The second day after I did my video, the market in Litecoin ran up to that particular price level. Now, the question is, were you able to profit off of that move in that very short time frame? 5%? Not bad. But you guys can kind of tell the reason why Litecoin only went that high. Look at this. Right there. Isn't that amazing? The chart tells you what you need to be prepared for. Now, I'm not sure if I gave you a price target of $84 into the market in Litecoin then. Just go back and listen to my video, because it's still there. But that was your first opportunity for you to come through and grab some profitability, because we've seen all of these days that the market in Litecoin could not break above $73.50 or like $74. Look at that. That's where the lid was. That's where the sellers were positioned in this space for Litecoin. They were selling their Litecoin there. So here we are today, though. The market is trading well below $74. So if you didn't get that then on that particular day, yeah, we'll be down 25, almost 26%. Yeah, right now we would be. But what do you think now? Has things changed? Is the market still viable? Is Litecoin still able to go up? Or are we going to continue to trend down like the majority of our altcoins in the market right now? What do you think? Let me go ahead and get rid of this, and let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, so let me get rid of this, and now that. Now I'm going to zoom out this chart because I want to see how is the trend in Litecoin. Okay, so let me hit this over on the weekly, and we can kind of see if the market in Litecoin now is bouncing off of a trend, because you guys can see this. You see that? Look at where we're trading at in comparison to when this trend in Litecoin ultimately started. Look at that. And the market in Litecoin literally came and bounced off of this ascending line. Is this a buying opportunity? Have we finally hit the bottom in Litecoin? Because ever since the creation of this market in Litecoin, we haven't seen the market trade below that trend line. What do you think? A lot of people are fearful. A lot of people are scared. A lot of people are not even worried about buying cryptocurrencies right now because of the value reduction that has been going through. And when you get that type of environment, that's when you want to kind of peep through the door and see, okay, what's really going on now? has all of the fear gone. It's all of the FUD gone. And you'll be able to tell because the volume will begin to increase on the price chart and the market will find a bottom. You kind of can see that right now on Litecoin. Looking at this price chart from a monthly perspective, this may be the bottom. Think about this. Look at how strong this area is in the market in Litecoin. Look at that. So not only is price still trading above this long-term trend that started back in 2017, we are also seeing it hold support at 38. See that? Look at all these other monthly price bars. So all I'm trying to say is that you need to be paying attention to the price movement now in Litecoin to see if it's actually the bottom, because it may be. So let me go ahead and get rid of this ascending line. And let's go back to the 2-day time frame, because you guys can see that generally, overall, it's not a lot going on. It's just not. I mean, the market in Litecoin is exhibiting, or is showing us that it wants to move higher in price. It is. Basically from this particular trading day, these 2 days right here, these two-day price bars, this one and then this one, is reflecting that the market in Litecoin is trying to move higher. Now, considering that we're in a massive downturn across the board in the cryptocurrency space, you should not be massively bullish though if you're seeing market moving higher, right? Should not be. And then on top of that, if you were to bring this down to a daily time frame, we can already see where the problem is at. And it's right here. This is where the lid is in the market in Litecoin. And this is another lid. So these will be points, price targets that we would be looking for the market in Litecoin to go for, we can profit off of. This is Litecoin the 3-day. Okay. So what do you suspect? What do you think the market in Litecoin is really up to? Are people buying? Are people selling? Litecoin the 5-day. Right? Here's Litecoin on the weekly. So far, we got 2 days and 14 hours left. What do you think? 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Look at this on the 5 weeks, monthly, and then last, let me show you the 3 months. Okay. And then let me show you the 6. All right. So let's try to figure this out. You guys can see here that the market is not really giving us too much price action. Sometimes there's just nothing there, you know, for a price prediction. You might just want to say at this current moment in time, I really don't see a move occurring in this space. That could be your price prediction. Your prediction would be, I'm not looking for too much to go on right now, right? This is Litecoin on the 5 hour. This is Litecoin on the 9. Okay. Because right here on the 9 hour chart is definitely showing me that there's still some sellers, right? Right here, sellers came in, market went down, sellers are still coming into space. So the buyers got a major job ahead of them in order just for us to see price break above $55. Will they be successful? 3 hour chart. Okay. Look at this on the 1 hour. And then 15. So what do you think? Should we wait? Should we buy? Should we sell? What in the world should we do? To me, I want to wait until I see something apparent as to where this market is going to go, because I don't see too much price action. We had a pretty good run up over the last couple of days. Prices coming back down. We came in held support at 48. If we see that again, then the market in Litecoin is poised to do that. If we see the market hold 48 again. So that is what I am going to wait for, to see if the buyers are going to prop up the price again in Litecoin at 48, just like it did on July the 5th. That's where the problem is. We want to see the buyers are still attractive to buying Litecoin at that level. And until such time, we'll just chill out or go find another play. All right. Now, if you see something else, if you see something different, I get it. That's why the comment section is open on this video, because I'm not going to drop one today. I'm going to sit this sideline. So I want you all to give me your perception as to what you think the market in Litecoin is up to. Where is it about to go over the next couple of weeks to months? Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of this downtrend line because the market is not even trading above it, not even trading around it. So let me get rid of it. Make sure we got a clean chart. So this is where our focus is going to be. Okay. Let me know. What do you think? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.